They hover, hum, and fly right past us. But behind every buzz, bees are doing something extraordinary. There are over 20,000 species of bees, each with a unique role in our ecosystems. From honeybees to solitary bees, they all matter. Bees are perfectly engineered for their jobs. Fuzzy bodies trap pollen. Wings beat up to 12,000 times a minute. Antennae sense the world. A hive is a buzzing society. Every bee knows its place, from the queen to newborns to drones on their final mission. Bees are pollinators, nature's delivery service. They move pollen from flower to flower, helping plants grow, breed, and feed the planet. What if bees vanished? Apples, almonds, cucumbers, even chocolate could disappear from our plates. Pesticides, parasites, habitat loss, and a warming planet. These threats are pushing bees to the brink. Hope is buzzing in unexpected places. Cities around the world are becoming havens for bees, with rooftop hives and pollinator gardens. You don't have to be a beekeeper to help. Plant wildflowers, avoid pesticides, support local honey. Every small action counts. They may be tiny, but their impact is huge. Protect the bees, and you protect life itself.